Hi friends, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to talk about new scenario in DAX. So please try to watch all my previous videos so that you'll get more understanding on different technologies like SQL Server development, performance stream, Power BI and DAX, and integration services. Now we'll go to the Power BI desktop. There you can understand today's video demo. So for timing already I have designed the report, so I'll try to explain. So what are the steps I have followed to design this report and all. So yesterday I have created the similar video, so but in today's video I'll try to explain the different topic like so yesterday what I explained, so how to find the each month wise first week sales. For example, each month wise, so I want a 7-day sales or 8-day sales. Based on the day selection I want to display each month wise. But in today's video what I'm trying to explain, so how to find so last day sales, last 7-day sales or 10-day sales each month wise. Okay, in yesterday video from the beginning of the month, but in today's video from the end of the month, so how to display the last 7-day sales. For example, if you notice here, we can see that this is the matrix. So here we have two slices, one is year slicer and so another one is day slicer. Okay, so here I have selected 2003 and here I have selected 5. So it means that from each month wise I need to display the last 6 days sales. Okay, from 26th from January month up to 31st. Again for February month from 23rd to 28th. March same thing, April. So likewise each month wise we are displaying the, so what are the days selection, so based on that we are trying to display. For example, if I select 7 means we'll get the 8-day sales. See, from 24th onwards 31st. Again here also same thing. So we are displaying the dynamically based on this selection. For example, if I select 2002 means we are displaying the 2002 sales. Okay, so this is the matrix as well. Same thing I have so created it's a table wise report also. Same thing. In case here if I did not select any year, so we are displaying what are the years data available in the data model. We are trying to show all the years. If you notice from 2001 onwards we are trying to display from up to 2004. Okay, in this data model we have 4 years of data, so we'll try to display all the 4 years. But if we select the respective year, so we are trying to show only that year only. Okay, so now we'll try to see what kind of logic I have written to get this output and all. Go to demo measures, so try to see what measure. Okay, click on here, so try to zoom in so that we can see clearly. Okay, so now we can see that, so I have declared few variables, so I'll try to explain step by step and try to listen. Okay, so here I have declared one variable. So in this variable I'm trying to capture what are the year we have selected, so I'm trying to capture in this variable. Okay, in case if we did not select, I'm trying to take the minimum from the variable. Okay, it means that so in this example I have 2001 2 3 4, so I'm trying to select 2001 if we did not select any value from that slicer. Same thing from the day slicer also I am trying to capture the value whatever we are selecting. And in the third variable I am trying to take the max day number for each month wise. Okay, max day number from each month. And finally I am trying to filter by using calculator. Okay, so this is the logic I have written to get the expected output. Okay, so this kind of, there are some cases we can get this kind of requirement, so that is the reason I am just trying to create a different kind of scenarios. So I hope you like this video. So if you have any questions or queries, you can send me an email or drop your comments in the comment section so that we'll try to reply as soon as possible. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you guys.